Yeah, man, people. So as I mentioned, today me have the Jamaican taxi man people. Briggy. Oh, I go on Briggy?
Yeah, man, my general, you don't know, so the one Briggy done in, we are in the street, as usual, just go and hold it, you see me?
Mad.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Well, for the people in my mind, I know what go on. Briggy got viral film rendition of Staying Alive, a remix of the Jamaican taxi man. And Briggy, for the people who don't know the tune, do a piece of the tune.
Where's my general? Bust a piece of the tune?
Yeah, man, bust a piece of the tune, man. Hear what
Nah,
go on.
I want to catch me half gas, but I don't know, so we have already back, you see me? So what you style, you know? How with that Briggy, Dan? Yo, bro, no, so how come, my general? Yeah, man, we there back out of one interview and thing, you see me? Mad. Yeah, man, that is it, my G. Alright, watch your style, you know? Oh, well, you can tell by the way I'm driving me car, he's a taxi man. You know, I feel ask. As the light change, my blood the hand. If you drive slow, then turn your yard. Top anyway, ready for fight. Me not know one name stop light. Me and police, ever wire. Call them want to take me car. Anyway, you see me, that's clear. They're rocking me on my Jamaica. Yeah, my general, you don't know, you know.
Oh, you come up with a song there, brother?
Well, so when me get the inspiration from for the one, I'm not lying about, bro.
Eh.
I must father God, you know.
We say a father God.
Because I never sit down and try to get this, you know, but just in the house, I go and hold on meds and lyrics are start flowing and be cranium, you see me? So I just do so. Yeah, man, my general, so I must father God, I have to big up father God every time for the inspiration, you see me?
But bring it, talk to the people them now. How things are going since the viral video and them thing there, brother?
But I not got too light here, you know. Whole heap of things changing, but not changing apart.
Eh?
Yeah, man, I show you our vibes right now. So we're still in our street at us the same way. Still try and make it bread. You see me? Apart from the fact say, yo, more people know we. I know about
bad artist.
Yeah, my G.
Cool man.
Easy, man. Yeah, man, my general. Apart from the fact say, more people know we out in the streets, you know. Not much not really change, my general. I show you our vibes right now. My G, from that thing I drop, you know. Me don't make 100 grand off a thing yet, my G. And that me I try to show you. Me don't make 100 grand off a thing yet, my G. So we still try to grow the things same way. We still out here us right now. Our pre is a different level in the game right now.
But bring me now line up things will have changed to the better already for you, no, brother.
Let me show you our next levels. My general, I have 10 youth. And I love the whole of my youth. I take care of my youth. You see me? That's why I'm out here do the work so hard. You see me? Share me baby man of them, you know. Not a pressure me since that thing I drop, you know. Like someone out here make millions, you know, my general.
Wow.
Hey, me I try showing that thing, you know. I have no money.
So Briggy, talk to me now. What's next for Briggy Dan, as you call yourself?
We are pre the studio work hard right now, you know. Yeah, man, we are also in our studio same way, man, like how we are also in our street. The people themselves have it, you know. So right now we are pre-say, we want to do some studio work. But if you find a studio, come in my general, between me and you, it's a shame, you know. Not even one producer in the link.
Really?
General.
Not even one producer,
Not
Briggy
even
Dan?
one producer, my general, is a shame. You see me? So right now we are trying to find a studio and thing and see if we can get some work done and things. You see me? And us prostrate can someone both done and them thing there. We can't just sing on the car all day for my bars, my general. Swell up my bars. And I mash up a prostrate and them thing there. You see me? So right now we are pre, so we need to come off of the road, my general. And we charter work alone, we can start taking, you know. Left the road taxi thing, and that's enough for we no more. We step up in the thing, you see me?
All right.
Yeah, man, so that we are pre right now, in the street as I in the street.
But anyway, Briggy, you know the last words you want left for the people, them?
I mean, I don't want for the people them still is that more why taxi man misunderstood my general.
Oh, no, misunderstood?
Yeah, man, I misunderstood the whole heap on the road. I nah like, cause my general, like, also we are try hustle out there, you know. You see me, we youth them to feed and but yeah, man, my general, I talk to people them straight. People, we don't really want bad drive on you know. Me, I want to youth them a whole hard up on the road and we are drive, you see me? We need the road like the right way for deal with it. But you have some bad upload that we are spoiled the whole of a bunch and make we look bad on them thing there. I mean, I like, more why we do a 1-2 thing and when we reach on the road, and I say, John, I should have done that, you know. I feel like, we and them thing, we can't come back, I'm telling the sorry after that, I'm going about my business already. But I just want to know, say, you know, we're sorry for bad driving and them thing there. I'm going to try to do a little better, you see me, I'm man them. On the whole hard up on the road, no, man. It's going easy sometimes, no, man. If you go on somebody, you know, youth and youth. And you can lead the road better, man. All the people are out there, man. We try to keep the people alive so we can take them money from them when them come on the road, you see me? Yeah, man, see him.
Well, Briggy Dan, I just want to say thank you for the interview. Thank you for the opportunity to interview your brother. And I hope you have continued success as you go
yeah,
forward.
Man, I say a word, man. Big up yourself, your strength, see him here, you know, bossy. We don't know, say, I'm moving. Yeah, man, see him here. So, one I say, Papi in the OC campus, one already, 200, most of the OC.